How to add a Roblox bot on your Discord server. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add a Roblox bot on your Discord server. So let's just get right into it. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your Discord server. From here, go to the server where you want to add a bot. So I'll just go over to my server here and then tap on the drop down. From there, you can find app directory, tap on it. Go to the search icon at the top right, then simply search for Roblox. Find the bot that you want to add. I'll just do Roblox profile bot. You could also do Roblox news as well and other stuff like Roblox grid. This will allow you to interact with the Roblox grid server infrastructure. I'll just do this Roblox profile bot. Then tap on add app. Tap add to my apps or add to server. I'll just do server. Select your server from here. Keep scrolling and then tap on authorize. You're good to go. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.